In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Etsy order history. If you're a frequent shopper on Etsy, keeping track of your purchases is essential for managing your orders or checking the status of an item. Whether you're using the Etsy mobile app or navigating through the website, this process is quite straightforward. Let's walk through the steps to easily view your Etsy order history and track your packages. First things first, go ahead and open the Etsy app on your mobile device. Now it's important to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials, your email and password to gain access. Once you're in the app's main interface, you'll notice the familiar Etsy layout with several tabs at the bottom. Look towards the bottom toolbar and you'll see an icon labeled You. This is your personal section on Etsy. Tap on You and it'll take you into your own profile space. Once you've entered this section, you'll see a list of options that pertain to your account and shopping preferences. Here, tap on Purchases and Reviews. Now you've arrived at the Purchases page. This is where all your order history is neatly compiled. You'll notice your past orders listed along with the dates and corresponding sellers. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive view of everything you've bought on Etsy, making it a perfect place to review your shopping history. If you're trying to track a specific item, simply scroll through your list of orders until you find the one you're searching for. Directly to the right of the store's name, you'll see the shipment status. This is where you can determine if your order is in transit or has been delivered. If the seller has provided shipping information, there will be a track package option available. Tapping this option will give you the current tracking details, allowing you to see exactly where your package is in its journey from the seller to your doorstep. However, there might be times when you don't see a tracking number provided. This means the seller has not offered tracking information for that particular order. It can happen, especially if the item was shipped using a service that doesn't include tracking as part of the process. In these instances, your best bet is to contact the seller directly if you have any concerns or if you need further details about your order's progress. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to view and track your order history on Etsy. Now you can manage your purchases and follow your deliveries with ease. Whether you're checking on a recent buy or reminiscing over past finds, Etsy makes it convenient to keep all your information at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Etsy.